Now to dig out some proper foundation for this part of the wall. Although I wasn't going to do it up there, I have decided that this part is going to have a proper foundation with proper drainage. Progress is being made, but there's still a bit to go. It took nearly 2 hours, split over 3 days, to dig through the tar dry clay to get down far enough for a foundation. Now it's ready for some of the weed cloth, gravel, and I can start building the wall up again. The geotextile stops the dirt from penetrating the gravel and reducing the efficiency of the drainage. So now I have a base of compacted gravel and textile keeping it separate from the hillside. I am ready to start building a wall between there and there. Wetting the gravel and rock before cementing helps the cement adhere better. And that's the first row down. I had a little helper with me today, although he didn't stick around for long. Today, the goal is to backfill behind the wall that I built with gravel for drainage, but sadly, the bags of gravel are way down in the carport, and that's about 15 metres or 45 feet down the hill. Each bag is about 20 kilograms or 44 pounds. And they get progressively heavier as the day goes on. I tended to alternate between building days and backfill days. 2 more bags there and there, maybe 3. And I've run out at the moment. We're going to pick more up at Bunnings this afternoon, so they'll go in tomorrow. What you don't see is how much time is spent finding the right shaped rock to fill a particular gap. It takes more time to find a suitable rock, break off the old cement from its original use in the old wall, than it does to place and cement them in. Where I could, I used blocks from the old wall, where 2 or more stones were still cemented together. The small gaps along the top of the wall were smoothed out with cement, in keeping with the original wall. It's a long way removed from the original mess of a wall. A quick washdown with hydrochloric acid and it came out quite a treat. The acid also aged the new cement, so it was not particularly obvious in the finished wall.